Skill Builder, Two-Dimensional Shapes. Hi, I am Polly and I want to talk to you about two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are shapes with a width and length. They are flat. When working with two-dimensional shapes, there are a couple of terms that will be useful. Taking a closer look at this shape here. The blue lines on the shape represents the sides. Sides are straight edges making up the boundary of a shape. The sides of the polygons will meet at a point called a vertex. If there is more than one vertex, they are called vertices. A pentagon has 5 sides. The red dots on the pentagon represent the vertices. There are 5 vertices. Here is a group of shapes. I am going to sort them into categories. The headings say 3 or fewer vertices and 4 or more vertices. Start with this rectangle. How many vertices are there? If you said 4, you are correct. The vertex or vertices are the connection between two sides. Next up, where will this triangle go? A triangle has 3 vertices and will be sorted into the 3 or less vertices. What about this circle? A circle doesn't have any sides. Therefore, there are no vertices. It goes here. Last but not least, we have a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 vertices total. It will go with this section. Sometimes I get creative with shapes. I can compose larger shapes using smaller shapes like this. 3 triangles can make a trapezoid. 4 squares can make a rectangle. I also can decompose shapes by taking a larger shape and breaking it into smaller shapes. A rectangle can be split in many different ways. Here are just a few. Each rectangle has formed multiple triangles in different ways. Who knew there were so many things to do with two-dimensional shapes? Thanks for hanging out with me.